Most brands only see conversations that they are tagged in or the ones happening in their DMs. That's literally the worst mistake that you can make. Because the conversations that can shape your marketing, your content, even your competitive strategies are happening when you're not in the room. Your audience are talking about their pain points, your competitors are being compared, people are asking for recommendations, industry trends are shifting in real time, and if you're not listening, you're just guessing. That's exactly what Content Studio's new social listening feature is built for. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up to find the conversations that matter, filter out the noise, and turn mentions into actionable insights. To start, you don't have to manually decide every topic from scratch. Just enter your website URL and Content Studio's AI will analyze your website to understand your brand, your space, and the type of conversation you should be tracking. These topics are organized into different topic types like brand listening, competitor listening, and industry terms. So you're not just tracking random keywords, you're tracking the conversations that matter to your business. And of course, everything is editable. For every topic, you can add up to 5 keywords. Choose the topic type and select the platforms you want to monitor. Right now, Content Studio supports 6 platforms, so you can keep an eye on conversation across the channels that matter most to your brand. Okay, so this is important. AI context hint. Just because someone is mentioning your keyword doesn't mean that your mention is useful. For example, if your brand is a common word, or if someone is using the keyword in a wrong context, you don't want those mentions cluttering your feed. With AI context, you can tell Content Studio what the context of the keyword is so it can filter out the noise and give you real opportunities. You also get advanced settings where you can include or exclude specific authors, turn on exact match, enable case sensitivity, or fine-tune how your topic is tracked. Once the monitoring starts, Content Studio will fetch the mentions from last 30 days, so you're not starting from scratch. Inside your feed, you'll see all the mentions that match your topic and keyword. You can filter them, change the time ranges, switch between views, and focus on conversations that are actually relevant. There are inbuilt views for things like brand love, brand monitoring, buying intent, competitor intelligence, and crisis management. So instead of scrolling through everything manually, you can instantly jump into the type of insight you're looking for. You can also make new views as per your requirement. Found something important? You can bookmark it. You can also open the original post, mark it as read, or mark it as irrelevant, or copy the mentioned link. Content Studio also detects sentiment automatically, so you can quickly see whether a mention is positive, negative, or neutral. And if the sentiment doesn't look right, you can update it yourself. Once the mentions start coming in, analytics help you zoom out and spot the bigger patterns. You can see mentions over time, so you know whether the conversation around your brand, competitor, or industry are increasing, slowing down, or suddenly spiking. You can track sentiment trends to see whether the conversation is becoming more positive, more negative, or staying neutral. You can also check sentiment distribution, platform-wise analytics, and tag-based analytics. So you can understand where the conversations are happening, what they're about, and how are people responding. You can segment this data over time periods as well, which makes it easier to compare performance, spot patterns, and understand what's changing. And if you don't want to be checking everything manually, you can set up alerts. For example, you can create alerts for a volume spike if the number of mentions suddenly increases. You can also create sentiment spikes alert, like when there's a rise in negative sentiment, so your team can catch potential issues before they turn into bigger problems. To set up a mention alert, just select the view you want to monitor, add the email recipients, and Content Studio will send alerts when those conditions are met. So that's how to use Content Studio social listening feature, because the brands that move faster are not the ones creating more content. They're listening to the right conversations.